Jupiter. Earth is only one of the planets in our solar system. There are 7 other planets that also orbit our sun. Let's have a look at them. Oops. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The largest planet in the planet Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the 5th planet from the Sun and 588 million kilometres away from Earth. That's a really long way. Even though it is so far away, Jupiter is usually the 4th brightest object in the sky after the Sun, the Moon, and the planet Venus. Can you see it there? Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant. It is a huge ball of gas with no solid surface. It has a cloudy atmosphere with colourful belts and spots. It is so enormous that you could fit over 1,300 Earths inside. To help you imagine this, if Earth was the size of a grape, Jupiter would be the size of a baseball. That's a really good comparison. Jupiter's most famous feature is its Great Red Spot. This is a giant storm that has been blowing non-stop for hundreds of years. The spot is bigger than Earth. Can you see it there in the picture? Jupiter is named after the king of the Roman gods. The Romans named it the Star of Jupiter after seeing it in the night sky, believing it to be their sacred god, Jupiter. Jupiter is very different from Earth. One day on Jupiter is less than 10 hours long. It is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Jupiter takes a long time to orbit the Sun. 1 year on Jupiter is the same as 12 years on Earth. Jupiter has 79 known moons. 12 of those were only discovered in July 2018. That's not long ago. Here are Jupiter's moons. Out of the 79 moons, the 4 Galilean moons of Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto are the most interesting to scientists. Okay, let's have a quick look here. Oops. Io. Humans have known about Jupiter for thousands of years. However, it is only recently that we have had the technology to study Jupiter and its moons close up. The first spacecraft to visit Jupiter was the Pioneer 10 in 1973, followed a year later by Pioneer 11. The Pioneer spacecraft took the first close-up pictures of the planet. In 1979, the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 probes visited Jupiter. They studied the moons, discovered the volcanoes on Io and the ice on Europa. The Cassini probe took close-up pictures of Jupiter in 2000, and the New Horizons spacecraft passed by Jupiter in 2007, taking detailed measurements. In 2016, the Juno spacecraft put itself in orbit around Jupiter. It's measuring the planet's atmosphere and has taken some detailed photographs of areas never seen before, such as Jupiter's south pole. It is expected to stay in orbit until the end of its mission in July 2021, when it will crash and burn up into Jupiter's atmosphere. Here are some photos of Jupiter that were taken by that spacecraft. Looks very different to Earth, doesn't it? Looks amazing. You can see the gas.